Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Street View in Google Maps. This is very useful and simple, but in this video, I show you very easy and straightforward method. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then tap this button. This is upper side of your screen. And after tapping this, some options are open. Under the map details tab, you can find some option. See here, this is Street View option. Now tap on this to on Street View. After tapping this, Street View option is now on. See here how it's look. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.